I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my state, and I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully. Appreciate my standing, go out of this world and ride on time.
Akangijabulisa-ke lo.
In my life, have I seen the skylight of the light? I'm far away from Earth and I wanna know if you exist. Mission control, do you read me? Silly Michael. Yeah, wait. I think I'll last a bit longer. Find another reason to breathe this air. And now we made for ourselves. This won't be the last time.
Listen, so I'm walking down the streets of Cape Town. I'm in Belvedere Road, which is just down the road for where I am from Milner Road. And sort of like at every middle of the street or at the end of each street, there are shopping centers, like place to eat, there's a garage, there's a square, like there's even here Belvedere Square where there's Woolies food and other places like to buy mostly food, drinks, coffee. There's Vida Cafe, things like that. But like on every street, like it's literally a 10 minute walk to get to each store. But I've been walking for about a total of 35 minutes or so. And I've seen about 3 little gatherings of shopping centers. You know, everything is nice and chilled, and you know, I can walk out here with my phone out, but I still don't feel comfortable. That's the weird thing about it. Like, I still don't feel free. I still feel like people are invasive, particularly like black to black people. I feel like they just think that they know who you are. They're friendly, yes, but they treat you in a way like they expect you to be a certain way, and you can sense that, like, okay, you're one of us, and so you even behave and think like us, and we believe in the same thing. And it's not necessarily true, but you get that in a feeling. It's not like one has said anything. You get it in looks as well, like certain things that I'll buy in stores, and then other black people are like, why are you buying this? You know, something that a friend of mine will say, like, oh, you eating white people's food, type of thing. And just like, you just get that sense and that feeling from other black people. From white people, ooh, you just better keep your distance. You can just feel that, like, we do not get along. Even people that are in their own cars and I'm crossing the streets, I still get that sense of, like, you know, you're being looked at, like, what you doing walking. And it's very clear that it's only black people that walk. And there's one white person that I've come across who was walking with their children, and okay, 2, and they were very friendly. And the other one was like, you know, greeting in Xhosa, you know, molweni, because there was another black lady that was walking next to me, crossing the street. And it's like, okay, it's cool, but it's only very few, you know, very minimal. So, but anyways, that's my experience. It's chilled, but hey, you can't get too comfortable. You can't get too comfortable. It's still South Africa at the end of the day. That's the thing. We have our turmoils, we have our ups and downs, black and white. But at least I'm living in a place with friendly people. This place is beautiful though. Okay, this campus is huge. Okay, I have spotted a dancer. There is a dancer who's dressed like a dancer. So
My way.
My journey in Cape Town had ended, and it was time to go back home. With the experience and lessons learned, I look forward to other opportunities on life's journey.